Okay, so this is a screencast sort of starting out your doing some box prep for getting ready to do your artwork on your box. If you haven't done it already, you'll notice you can't see the box sides that well. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select on my box over here, and then I'm going to ungroup it back to its original items. And then you can kind of see them all here. So now they're ungrouped. And this is good because now when I hover the mouse over the line, you can see those box sides appear. So this actually isn't going to be, these aren't actually going to be these names like background. You don't need those on there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the words and hit backspace, and I'm going to delete them. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a box around all of these and select them all. And you can notice that the borders are really small. And so forth. There we go. And what I did there is I actually just filled them in black. This is actually how we're going to draw on these. So instead of sort of drawing white on black on white, we're going to draw white onto black. We get a better sort of cut from the laser by importing these sides in this manner. And then the other thing you can do is sort of, if you want to for now, we'll do that later as well, is just take all these and put them side by side. And I'm going to put them, and with snapping on, it makes it really easy to kind of line them all up. You can see they're centered there, centered there, and then I'm just going to move this one up. Here we go. I'm just using the arrow keys to kind of make the spacing equal between all these. And you can see sort of these are the order of the sides, because I have this side goes into this side, goes into this side, and it makes that box side. And then remembering that this is actually going to be the top of our box here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take all these and I'm going to use the mirror flip vertical. And that kind of actually puts the lamp like the way that you want it, because this is actually, this piece here is actually the top of the box, not the bottom of the box. Okay. And so now everything's kind of orientated the way we want it to be. The sizes should be relatively accurate. Actually, we're in pixels, so I'm going to change this to inches. You'll notice if I select this, this box is 6.2 height and 3.5 wide, which is exactly basically what it's supposed to be. So the next thing you can do is actually go to the borders here, and you can actually just turn this to 0. And there we go. So that's the first setup of getting the boxes ready for artwork, whatever it is you're going to do on here. And like I said, we're going to be drawing or putting images with white onto black. It'll just make for a better product as we design it. Okay, thinking about where the light is shining through. Good luck. That's step 1.